So this is the stock card here, and it says it is a relaxed blowout texture. It's nice that you get a wig cap in the box, and the color I have in a 1B. So it's immediately apparent this is not a lace front wig. It has 3 combs, 1 near the part, 2, 3, and elasticated drawstrings. What seems to be a nice, decent lace part. The texture is like a Dominican blowout. Nice yucky texture. So let's just check for shedding. Just a few strands of shedding there, so not too bad at all. Wow, this is a smaller cap than the last one. Wow, and it digs in here, I'm not sure why. And as I said, it's a full cap wig, but they have done well on this part. This part is, I've done nothing to it, but it finishes well. It's really well open, it's full, it's dense. Yeah, okay fam. I didn't like the first one. For me that was a, it didn't work, the quality was lacking, but the quality is definitely there for this one. This wig's beautiful. And here you get a better idea of the length. It's got this beautiful soft kink in it. His hair is gorgeous. I wonder how well it will last, because that's the other thing we have to obviously check. So I will wear it and then get back to you on how long it lasts. Now I've got all the hair forwards, sit to one side, you can get a good idea of that, and it's quite long and luscious, and this wig is lovely. The only thing I would say that you need to really improve on is just the finish of the hairline, because even if it's a full cap wig, you want it to finish well, and it still finishes a little bit harsh. You couldn't really pull your hair back there, but if you have it down right from the part which is done well, you won't notice too much. Okay, so yeah, this is a wig I can recommend. So it's a fail for the first, but definitely a pass for this one. Please do subscribe, hit the like button below. Look forward to seeing you soon. So this is just a quick update while I'm waiting for my car to be fixed. So I'm wearing this wig that I reviewed yesterday, and I mentioned that it was digging in, and I had the straps, only one strap on, not both of them. And today I wore it with just the one strap on, and oh my, what a headache. I had to take the other strap off in the end, and it is still really snug. So I would definitely have to say that this wig is medium head friendly, but if you have a particularly big head, you are going to find it quite tight. So yeah.